Riniel. So, you have now another 1 month of your allowance, ha? Every day, including Saturday and Sunday, again, you will get 50 pesos every day. Okay? Nagkasinabot ta? Okay. So, I will keep gihapon this one and you will get 50 each every day sa kuha. And this is from Usgi. Kamsamida. Once again, Chokomini for Riniel's allowance. Bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Riniel. So, how's your feelings? Kamusta? Kung sige bati ni mo? Happy. Very good. So, kanini mo hang napalit no? During our shopping. Wow, kanoy shoes. And school supply, lacking t-shirt, shorts, and you have also 1 pair of school uniform. Kasi ka support mo ni gani dong? Kamsahamnida nang sa happy bi, nang sa happy. Wala nang sa happy? Sure ba? So, asa makalmas nalipay sa tanan ni mong gipalit? Ala, kaa. Ngano man jud ng bull. Ngano man jud ng bula, kanahan man ka. Kanahan ka mag basket. So, you want a basketball player someday? Pohon? Ha? Fighting? Yeah, di ba you have naman other sports katong baseball? So, other concept is the basketball. Okay. So, you're lucky, no? Okay, gi-support ni Chokomini imuhang shopping, no? Once again, kanang lipay nga, kuan.
Chokomini, kamsamida.
Okay, bye, Riniel.
Bye.
Pahuway na. Then, pahuway na ka, ha? Di na maglaag, ha? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Althea. So today, me and Althea is here at the store because we are going to buy her lacking of school supplies. So this is from Corindinim. What can you say to Corindinim?
Corindinim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida.
Okay, get the things you need. Di ka need gina nga colors day nani 62 ra emerald. Gusto kag kuan mga bond paper. Oh, mo nani 65 ba ni? This is the things that I'll be about. So this is the total of the things that Altia bought. So Altia, what can you say to Corindinim? So the change, I will turn it over to Altia. Again, say thank you to Corindinim. Go. Annyeonghaseyo, Angel. So Angel, Victorinin gave you 1 sack of 5 kilos of rice and 1 pack of ramen. So what can you say to Victorinin?
Good afternoon, student.
Good afternoon, Teacher Rona. Good afternoon, classmates. It's nice to see you this afternoon. Mabuhay!
Later, see you. Okay, student, our topic for today is all about
Solving simple word problems
involving math. So, word problem taron. So, word problem. So, before ta mag-proceed sa word problem, so, ato sa ilailahon ang
Mass.
So, mass. What is mass?
Amount of matter and an object you can measure mass using the metric units grams and kilograms.
Oh, kg, kilogram. So mass is amount of matter in an object. You can measure mass using the metric grams. So amount of matter, so kadaghanon, and an object, so kadaghanon sa butang. So kadaghanon sa butang using the metric unit grams or gramo, and kilograms, so kilogramo. So tinawa sa board, so natag word problem. So while kung mabasa tag word problem, dapat i-analyze na to i-analyze na to para mabawa na to kung sa tong gamiton nga operation. So unsa man ang operation? Sagot. Kung kuan pa, unsa magamit na to? Multiplication pa, subtraction pa, or
Division.
Addition. No, so dapat atong analyze ang word problem. So nakoy word problem dire. So read the first word problem.
The father harvest 500 grams of langonis and gave 100 langonis. How many grams of langonis are left?
So the father harvests 500 grams of lanzones, then and give 100 grams to his neighbor. How many grams of lanzones are left? So akong bisayon. Ang amahan ko no, ang amahan nag-ani og nag-ani.
Okay, so L3 students, let's check your answer. Show your solution, then ang inyong answer ibutang ra sa under sa kuan ha. For example, ikaw number 1 Ralph. Mong answer, final answer ibutang sa 1. Okay, number 1. Oh, solution. Okay, ibutay mo answer sa 1. Number 1. Sa babaw.
So, ayari.
Okay, number 2, Tristan. Okay, number 3, Angeli. And last number 4, Troy.